YouTube? Funko Pop collectors, lovers, how y'all doing today? Back at you with a little haul, just a little pickup I got while I was out at the mall. Went by HotTopic, and then this came in today. This is a never ordered from this company, from Plastic Empire. This was a $50 autographed Funko Pop mystery box. So we're gonna open this up and see what we get, see if we get anything interesting. Definitely want to add something good to the collection for that price. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna get into these packages. All right, first we're gonna start with this HotTopic. Just like I said, stopped by there by the mall while I was there and picked up the Green Giant ad icon. Definitely add this one to the collection. I like the way they did Green Giant on here. Sorry about that glare. Do plan on getting Sprout later, but no hurry on that. So there's definitely one I want to add to the collection, the ad icons. I think they did a pretty good job on this one. All right, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna open up this Plastic Empire mystery box autograph Funko Pop box and see what we got. All right, let's see which one we got. That's pretty good. Okay, we got the Gem Funko Pop. And I don't collect this, but my daughter is gonna flip when she sees this one. She's definitely gonna want to put this in her collection. I'm not sure who the name is on here, but I'll check it out and try to put it at the end of this video. Yeah, that's her, and she's, I don't know if you can see that, got a little microphone there. Now, I do remember this cartoon from a while back. I think they remade it. All right, well, that's a pretty good pop there from Plastic Empire. So it was a $50 mystery box unboxing. And we also got, we should be expecting a Chalice Collectibles mystery box coming in soon. So we'll put up a video of that. Hopefully we'll get some good pulls. All right, well, there you go. All right, Funko Pop out. Y'all collect what you love. Funko Papa here. Give me some likes, comments, subscribe. We'll try to keep it going. Funko Pop out. Collect what you love.